It's 4:30 a.m. and this is where the real work begins. In the last video, we prepared everything and now it's time to receive the chicks. Once chicks start hatching, it becomes very hard to sleep. Your mind is always thinking, are they okay? Is the machine stable? Are they overcrowding? And in our last video, we all saw the first few chicks coming out, but overnight, everything changed. The first thing we do is light the brooding pot. This must be done before removing the chicks. Inside the incubator, chicks are in a controlled environment, but the moment they come out, they are exposed. And because it's the rainy season, the risk becomes even higher. Cold stress at this stage can weaken chicks immediately. That's why we make sure the brooder is already warm, ready to receive them. You'll notice this brooder is in the same room as the incubator. This is temporary, but very important. Our main brooder is in another room, a bit far from here. But imagine moving day-old chicks in the rain, cold air, wind, stress. That alone can cause losses. So this setup helps us reduce movement and protect the chicks during this sensitive stage. Now we opened the machine and immediately you can see the difference. Most of the eggs are already broken, which means the majority of chicks have hatched, but we don't remove all of them at once without thinking. Timing here is very important. We remove the chicks and carefully, and as you can see, their number has increased. If we leave them inside too long, overcrowding becomes a problem, and overcrowding can lead to suffocation, stress, and even death. That's why we remove them now at the right time. After removing the chicks, We immediately close the machine. This is very important because not all chicks have hatched yet. Opening the incubator for too long causes temperature and humidity to drop, and this can affect the remaining eggs. We will come back later in the day to collect the rest. Before placing them in the brooder, we count every chick. Counting helps us understand how many hatched, how many survived, and how the business is performing. In poultry farming, numbers guide every decision. You'll notice we show this process often on our channel, and that's intentional because poultry business or poultry farming is not a one-time event. It's a continuous cycle. Each batch teaches something new, and consistency is what builds success. After counting, we've received about 71% of the chicks so far, which is a good progress at this stage. But you might notice something a bit different. We're actually returning a few chicks back into the incubator. And there's a reason for this. Some chicks may hatch earlier than others, but not all of them are fully strong and active immediately. Returning them briefly allows them to regain warmth, dry properly, and gain a bit more strength before full transition. It also helps us maintain balance inside the brooder, especially when we are still waiting for the remaining chicks to hatch. The goal is not just to remove chicks, but to move them at the right time. The chicks we are handling today are Sasso. This is a popular improved breed known for strong growth and good performance in both meat and adaptability. We'll go deeper into this breed in another video, because understanding your breed is a big part of running a successful poultry business. And you might notice one black chick among them. That one is not part of the Sasso batch. It actually came from my other flock. I collected that egg late in the evening and used it for training, and somehow it ended up hatching together with the rest. This is something that can happen on a farm, and it's always interesting to see how different breeds turn out. For now, the focus is on ensuring these chicks are stable, warm, and properly managed from the start. Joto itawafikia huko. Zikiwa hapo chini, tutapata tu zingine zililala hapo na zikakufa. The chicks are now settling in, and this is just the beginning of their journey. From preparation to hatching to brooding, every step matters. If you want to succeed in poultry farming, focus on the details, because small decisions like these, what protect your investment. Subscribe to Chola Farm and follow the journey as we grow this batch together. See you on the next one.